You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is q greater than 2. Let's solve it step by step. Remove the ones. Though a variable sign changes when it is multiplied by -1, its absolute value does not. Therefore, we can eliminate the 1. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 61 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the q into a positive number. Multiply both sides by -1. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is q greater than 2.